Welcome to the Stoic Wisdom. You like her. You've been there for her, listened to her problems, and maybe even thought, if I just show her how much I care, she'll see me differently. But then it happens. She drops the worst line a man can hear. You're such a great friend. Boom, you're in the friend zone. But here's the shocking truth. You put yourself there. Most men try to convince a woman to like them. But attraction doesn't work like that. You don't argue your way out of the friend zone. You change your energy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make her see you in a completely different way, all while maintaining a powerful, stoic mindset. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The harsh truth about the friend zone. First, let's get real. A woman doesn't accidentally friend zone a man. She does it because she doesn't see you as a challenge. You're too available. You act like a friend, not a potential partner. The friend zone exists because there's no spark. She doesn't feel that tension, mystery, or excitement with you. So how do you flip the script? Chapter 2. Why most men stay stuck in the friend zone. Most guys make two fatal mistakes when they get friend zoned. Mistake number 1, they try harder. They become even more available. They listen to all her problems. They hope that one day she'll wake up and see their value. Spoiler alert, she won't. Mistake number 2, they get emotional. They confess their feelings. They ask, why don't you like me that way? They beg for another chance. This kills attraction. Why? Because confidence is attractive and neediness is repulsive. Chapter 3. The Stoic Shift. Change your energy. Change the game. A stoic man does not beg for attention. Instead of trying to convince her, he does something unexpected. He pulls away. He focuses on himself. He becomes a challenge. This is the first step in changing how she sees you. Chapter 4. The Power of Detachment. Women are naturally attracted to men who are in control of their emotions. When you stop seeking her approval and start living for yourself, she will feel it. And here's the paradox. The moment you stop needing her, she will start noticing you. This is the power of stoic detachment. Chapter 5. Stop being her emotional crutch. Are you the guy she runs to when she has problems with other men? If yes, then congratulations. You're her therapist, not her lover. What should you do? Stop giving her emotional comfort. Stop being her safe option. Start focusing on your own life. This creates distance and mystery, which reignites attraction. Chapter 6. Become a man of value. Instead of chasing her, shift your focus to your goals. Become someone she admires. Your confidence, show that you're self-sufficient. Your social life, be a man that other women desire. Women are drawn to men who don't need them but choose them. Chapter 7. The Power of Scarcity. Make her feel your absence. What happens when something is rare? It becomes more valuable. Now think about this. If you're always available, she never has a chance to miss you. If you're always listening, she never sees you as a strong, independent man. So here's what you do. Pull back. Stop texting her first. Be unpredictable. Don't always be at her call. Create space. Let her wonder what you're up to. This shift will change her perception of you almost instantly. Chapter 8. Let her feel the loss. Women don't realize what they had until it's gone. Stop being the nice guy who's always there. Stop being her safety net. Start focusing on yourself and your mission. She will notice. And when she does, she will start chasing you. Chapter 9. The Art of Indifference. Stoicism teaches us emotional control. Instead of reacting emotionally, you remain calm, detached, and self-sufficient. Here's how you show stoic indifference. If she talks about other guys, don't react. If she cancels plans, don't get upset. If she doesn't text back, stay unbothered. Nothing is more attractive than a man who is in control of himself. Chapter 10. The Importance of Other Women in Your Life. When a woman sees that other women find you attractive, her perception of you changes. Why? Because of social proof. Women are more attracted to men who have options. It triggers her competitive nature. It makes her question her decision to friendzone you. When she sees other women want you, she'll start wanting you too. Chapter 11. Stop seeking her validation. The moment you stop trying to impress her, she will start chasing you instead of asking for her approval, trying to be the perfect guy, hoping she changes her mind. You should live your life on your terms. Let her come to you. Show that your happiness doesn't depend on her. Chapter 12. How to reignite attraction. If you've done everything right so far, she will start seeing you differently. Signs that she's noticing the change. She starts texting you first. She asks why you've been distant. She gets jealous when you talk to other women. This is when you maintain control. Don't rush back into her life. Keep your mystery and confidence. Make her work for your attention. Chapter 13. When to walk away. Sometimes, the best move is to walk away completely. If she still sees you as just a friend, doesn't respect your boundaries, uses you for emotional support but nothing else, then she's not worth your time. A stoic man values his time, energy, and self-respect. Chapter 14. The final move. Let her chase you. Once you've pulled away, become more confident and stopped seeking her validation, she will feel the difference. She will start thinking about you. She will start craving your attention. She will wonder why she ever put you in the friend zone. And now, the power is in your hands. Chapter 15. Conclusion. The friend zone is a choice. The truth? You're not stuck in the friend zone. You put yourself there, and you can pull yourself out. Stop seeking approval. Become a man of value. Create distance and let her feel your absence. And remember, you don't need to convince her. When you become the man she truly desires, she will come to you. Now tell me, have you ever been friend-zoned? Let's discuss in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful insights.